Hi guys, good morning. So இது 2025 New Yearல what are all the blessings coming to you? That is what is this reading is going to be. Before that, this reading is especially for Gen Z kids and 2K kids. So what download I got is Gen Z kids and 2K kids are like in 2024, like they're very playful and they want to live their ambitions in reality, but they never had the money to buy that, or like they were keeping on thinking what to do to next step, all that thing. Okay, so but now in this 2025, but in 2024 itself they have gathered lots of informations and lots of messages from the social media, like what I should do to live my dreams in reality. Okay, so like that. So now they have a clear picture and a frame structure mentally, that this is what I have to do and this is how I have to proceed to live my dreams in reality. But every step needs money, so how should I make myself eligible? That is what is your question. So to manifest money, you wanted a job, or you are thinking what to do. So this is was in 2024. Okay. So in 2024, you also came to a clarity that this is who I am and this is what I want to live and this is how I want to live and this is how my daily routine should be. Only thing pending is taking action. So in 2025, for Gen Z kids and 2K kids, it will be completely action oriented year. So whatever you have mentally frame structured, you will take action towards it. And if money is a concern, you will learn to manifest money and take action towards it. Okay, so 95 percentage of the probability is Gen Z kids and 2K kids are making themselves eligible, even economically also, to live their dreams in reality. So now let us go to the reading. So, to make your dreams come true, 2025, what are the blessings coming towards you? Okay, what does universe wants to give to you for you to live your dreams in reality? So, for the Gen Z kids and 2K kids, whomever is watching this, what are the gifts from universe? Oh my God, super! What are the gifts from universe for you to live your dreams in reality? So, what are your gifts from the universe to live your dreams in reality? Card starting. First card is the strongest card. Starting itself is very power pack. Yeah, I like this reading. So, for Sensit kids and 2K kids, what are the universal gifts to live their dreams in reality? For Gen Z kids and 2K kids, what are the universal gifts to live their dreams in reality? Wow. So for Gen Z kids and 2K kids, what are the universal gifts to Vareva, to live their dreams in reality? Such a positive reading and such an awesome reading too. Okay, first card is like Ace of Pentacles. Yes, perfect. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is like you getting new opportunities, job opportunities, or whatever your passion is. You want to live that as career. So all those opportunities are coming towards you, and all those people who could help you to live your passion into career. That those people are coming into your life. So this is universe gift for you this year to live your dreams in reality. Ace of pentacle is like, pentacle is a solid foundation, pentacle is an earth component. So pentacle means you are manifesting lots of money. Pentacle means gold coin. Okay, so you are manifesting lots of money, or you are starting with the entrepreneurship which is going to fetch you lots of money. You are going to live your life purpose, putting your whole soul and heart, and how much time, energy, your soul and heart you are investing into your passion, that much multiple folds of materialistic abundance you are going to get. But it's a very new beginning, new start, and it is from the universe. It is definitely from the universe, because AS is all from the universe. So it is a golden opportunity given by the universe to you. That is your first gift. It's a very positive sign of this reading. Second is Six of Cups. Six of Cups is like, one is elder, one is younger. Six of Cups are high vibrational soulmate. So if you have any life lessons left behind, you have not yet learned, if you have any particularly love lessons, so this high vibrational soulmate enters into your life to teach you love lessons. And this high vibrational soulmate can be your like your guru, or can be like your how to tell platonic friend or romantic partner also. Okay, so even twin flame, your true twin flame can also see, all twin flames have soulmate energy also within themselves, but all soulmates do not have to be your true twin flame. Okay, so now at the present situation, after seeing this card, what I'm feeling is your twin flame also can appear in front of you with high vibrational soulmate qualities as of now. As you both start mingling with each other, as you both deepen your connection, as you both have a very very meaningful conversation, might be you will find you have a chance to dig deeper about them and find who they are as inner essence. And then you might realize or recognize that that person is your twin flame. Until then, he'll be like a high vibrational soulmate only. Now this is also a gift from the universe, because high vibrational soulmate, whether it's going to be twin flame or not, high vibrational soulmate itself will respect your emotions, will value your points, suggestions, opinions. They'll treat you with lots of respect, they'll treat you with lots and lots of affection and friendship. So in your life, until now, you have been living like a lonely wolf, and even though you show off outside as if you're not bothered, you're not feeling lonely, you're happy being single, all that show off you are making, but still from within inside you're so much bothered, you're so much feeling lonely. So God is giving you this person into your life to for you to have that companionship, close intimate companionship, who can hold the space for you to like be in your own skin. So you feel comfortable with this person, and this person also teaches you love lessons. Okay, so this is how it is going to span out. And this, then next is Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups is like now, by now, okay, 2025, this new year, you know, this is who I am, this is what I want to live, and these are my dreams. This is what is the routine I want every day, and this is where I want to, this is where, in the sense, this is how I want my house, and I want to live this lifestyle, and I want to live this daily routine with my dream person. So you know all your dreams now, so you have listed it down one by one, one by one, one by one, noting it down, pointing it down, and now you have prioritized all your needs one after other. This is the first prime most important thing, this is the second prime most important thing. Like that, you have prioritized your list. Okay, so now what you're doing is, after prioritizing, you are visualizing and showing that to the universe, asking that I want all this, so grant me all these things. And universe, whole universe conspire to give you whatever you have asked for. Okay, so in 2025 all your dreams are coming through. So this is Nine of Cups. Next is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is the next action what universe is taking for whatever you have asked for. Okay, so to make your dreams come true, this Wheel of Fortune is rotating. Once it goes down, it has to come up. So this whole universe conspires to give whatever you want. This whole universe is moving everything around to attract whatever you want and give it to you. So that is Wheel of Fortune. Good luck on your side. Okay. So next is Three of Cups. Three of Cups is like complete celebration. Okay, so celebration out of delightfulness. So how I see this Three of Cups is, it's not like it's also partying, nightclubs, and always friends gathering, enjoying. It's not like even if it's not going to be a hi-fi party, going out for a pub or club and enjoying, if it is not going to be like that also, friends will be invited to any one of the friends house. All the friends will gather in one house and you will be cherishing each other, and you will be chatting, chit chatting, and you will have a very night out time together, have a good dinner, then just dose off, sleep off. So that is also partying only now. So you will have that kind of things, but still, out of this spiritual aspect, what I see is your brain, mind, and higher self, all the three are in alignment. Okay, so when all the three are in alignment, you don't have any thought conflicts, or within your own self you do not have any misconceptions or misunderstandings. So you always be in that state of peace, and you always be calm, and you always are cool and collected, and you always be in that how to tell, concentration and focus of manifesting your dreams in reality with peace. Okay, these are going to be the gifts from the universe to manifest your dreams into reality. Okay, let us see what are the things you have to focus upon in this 2025. So what are the things these Gen Z kids and 2K kids should focus upon to bring their dreams into reality? So, universe, please give me cards. What are the things these Gen Z kids and 2K kids should focus on to make their dreams come into reality? Oh, wow. Six of Wands. Six of Wands is a card of victory, success, name and fame, celebration, all that. So, again, Three of Cups. See? Three of Cups. So self alignment, you are celebrating your self alignment. You're happy within yourselves. You are so delightful. You are so like jumping in joy within yourselves. Always in that self alignment, being so happy, peaceful within yourselves. So you like this environment. You like to be cozy with yourselves like this, and you like to be silent and manifest your dreams in reality. You don't want to tell to others what is your next move. You don't want to tell to others what you want, how you want to live, nothing. You just want to enjoy with others, just be by yourselves, and just manifest your dreams and live happy. You want to be that chill pill guy. So Three of Cups is giving you that. Oh my god. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is a card. Watch carefully. Eight of Swords is a card. See, this girl is being tied now. This tied, that rope is very loose actually. If she wishes, she can take her hands out. Okay, once she takes her hand out, or automatically this rope will become completely loose. It will fall to the ground. Then after that, once her hands are free, she can remove the eye tie also. After that, just watch here closely. There is nothing stopping her. All the swords are on only side, not in front of her. So if she wants to walk, she is the one who has to select the direction, which way to walk, either straight or this way or that way. If she chooses any way, all the three ways are free only. She can just walk away. Okay, even the back side is also free only. Even if she wants to turn that side and walk away, she can walk away. But what is stopping her is mindset. Okay, only that mindset. She feels she's stuck, and she feels she cannot move anyway. She feels she is like she does not know what to do next. That I do not know what to do next is stopping her. So whichever area you are stuck, gain knowledge in that area. Either read Google articles regarding that doubt which is making you stuck, or watch YouTube videos, gain knowledge and gather information, and then march forward in that journey. Okay. So that is going to be your solution, and that will take you to the next step. Oh my god. So next card is Gen Z kids and 2K kids, spiritually awakening and completely surrendering to God. I have surrendered myself to you. Whichever path you give me, I'll choose that. Whether I choose good or whether I choose bad, God has best interest in me. So I trust God, I surrender to God. 100% I have given myself to God. So whatever God gives me, I'm ready to accept it, and I'm ready to travel in that path. So that much faith you gained in God. That is a good thing, yeah. So now you know all these statues, physical forms, all those things, name and form is not God. God is an energy which resides with you, within you, which is alive within you. And you serve only one master. The God whom you serve is alive within you. Wow, Empress card. So everybody are like wants to become an empress only. Empress is not a queen, she's an empress. She's queen of queen. Okay, so a person who is watching this is either a man or a woman. This empress energy, what it tells is empress is not a person who keeps chasing behind what she wants, because this reading itself is how to make your dreams come true, isn't it? So empress is an energy who learns all the 64 skills of arts, okay, and she'll practice it every day and she'll improvise. And empress is a person who raises her vibration to the level of divine supreme. Okay, so and when she also reaches that level of vibration, she's completely at a high vibration. She becomes her complete best version. So when she becomes her best version, what all she desires for, all those things gets attracted towards her and comes into her life and stays with her. Okay, she need not have to manifest anything. Whatever she desires for, the way she is vibrating so high, her divine qualities attracts all those desires and it comes towards her. So in 2025, might be what I'm feeling is, what I'm getting is, you will also raise your qualities to divine qualities. And like whatever you want to manifest, whatever dream you want to live in reality, you will not attract anything or you will not manifest anything. And you won't be desperate for I want this, I want this. You won't be like out of desperateness manifesting. Your job is only to heal and vibrate high. Okay, when you vibrate high, automatically whatever you desire will come to you. That is what I'm getting from this empress card. So that much highly spiritually evolved you are going to become in 2025. Okay guys, these are the gifts, spiritual gifts, as well as these are the universal gifts you are getting for 2025. So happy new year guys, enjoy life, enjoy every moment of life, because there is no rewind button for life. This time today will never come tomorrow. Tomorrow this same time will come, not today's this time will come. Okay, so happy new year guys. Once again, enjoy life, enjoy every moment of life, live in the present moment. Yeah, until then, like let us meet in some other interesting reading like this. Until then, bye.